yabere kunda no kutureba ha TV West Butosha ni kuzitanga program yeteji neba na ijavurwa mukaga shaha 3 zakasheshe kandi garukwa muri wa 5 shaha 5 izakasheshe kuwa kubotara turebere aharwa mukaga no tumwe mujobasa kutureba aharwa 5 shaha 5 izakasheshe umururamburo rwitoru nyenda ko yanangiriza abashomesa abakuza beitu nangwa n'abazeire beitu babana babasa bagumye batwihe umyanya y'iturukusiba mu muka ahishomero batoromenye bakuba batebeza imenye turukuba nturura imenye turukuba tekateka ngo erhare ningasho tekateka ngo terukikwa tujirebe tugereze tujirebe inje bitwabasa kwihirayo ntuyengereye mission na program eji utaragaho.
Lake Katwe, it's a crater lake formed as a result of volcanistic process of volcanic eruption about 10,000 years ago. And the lake appears to be dormant. The lake appears to be dormant. Because since then, the lake has never shown any sign of eruption. We don't know whether it's still sleeping or maybe it will erupt tomorrow or the next day. We don't know. Okay? Are we all together? But we have other salt lakes. We have other salt. Not only Lake Katwe within this region, we have other salt lakes. The second salt lake is called Lake Munyanyange again. Lake Munyanyange. Class again. Lake Munyanyange. It's not Munyanyanga, it's called Munyanyange. Again. Lake Munyanyange. Lake Munyanyange. Lake Munyanyange is famous in Uganda for flamingo birds. For flamingo birds. Which lake in Uganda famous for flamingo birds? Lake Munyanyange. Again? Lake Munyanyange. Would you like to see flamingo birds? Yes. Not only the flamingos on Lake Munyanyange, but there are other birds that come from Europe, from Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark. They also come on Lake Munyanyange. When there is winter in Europe, these birds come in Africa in search of good weather, okay? Yes. And they find good weather in Africa, okay? Yes. So on Lake Munyanyange, we receive more birds from Europe. They just come there. Another lake is called Lake Nyamunuka again. Lake Nyamunuka. Lake Nyamunuka again. Lake Nyamunuka. Lake Nyamunuka again. Lake Nyamunuka. Lake Nyamunuka is very unique in Uganda. It is the second beautiful lake in the whole world. It has been ranked number 2, 2016. Number 2. Beautiful lake in the whole world. Okay? Nyamunuka is a hospital for wild animals. They just go there for medicine. They lick on the salt mud and the salt on that lake, and that salt acts as medicine to those animals. And if you're so quite observant, you may have seen there some buffaloes. The buffaloes have created there what we call mud pools. Mud pools. They just go there for mud wallowing. They just bathe mud, and this is an activity that buffaloes enjoy. Okay? Another lake is called Lake Kasenyi again. Lake Kasenyi. Lake Kasenyi. Lake Kasenyi. It's a salt lake, very active. It's close to Lake George. Okay? Very good. Now let's get back to the questions now. Okay? We are done with that. Question, one. Mining of salt. That is the major activity. Salt mining. Again? Salt mining. Again? Salt mining. Again? Salt mining. Tourism is the second economic activity. Again? Tourism is the second economic activity. Again? Tourism is the second economic activity. Trade is the third activity. Again? Trade is the third activity. the water within the lake is too salty, the fish cannot survive. Okay? The water is too concentrated. Too concentrated. Then fish cannot survive. Within lake. Within lake. Turuhamwe. Within lake. Katwe salt is formed by evaporation and crystallization. Crystallization, the spelling is CRYSTALISATION. Crystallization again. Crystallization. Cattle salt is formed by evaporation and crystallization by the help of solar energy. By the help of what? Solar energy. Class, by the help of what? Solar energy. Class, what is solar energy? Solar energy is the type of energy produced by the sun. Good class, good class, good class. Another question. What is the area of this lake? Katwe, the size of the lake. Lake is 2.5 square kilometers. 2.5 square. This method is called salt panning method. Salt panning. P-A-N-N-I-N-G. Salt panning. Salt panning. Are we all together? Okombe Kamaziba. These plots that you see here, this is the method. Okay? These salt pans, again salt pans. Salt pans. Salt pans. Salt pans. Salt vibanja. Salt vibanja. Salt gardens. Salt gardens. Esfuria yomuonyo. Echibanza. So these pans are owned by families and individuals. You own it like a garden. You own it like? A garden. Like? A garden. Open cast within the main? Lake. Open cast within the main? Lake. We use it because Mahonde is near the surface of the salt water, and that's why we use open cast. Okay? Yes. Open cast is applied when the mineral is near the what? Are we all together? Yes. Very good. Another question. No.
Mazina ganje ninge Mbabazi Christian. Nayega ngomo murekato nibiya mahonde. Nayega ngwekabo by the process of volcanicity. Nayega.
Ninye ayimu kama Ronaldo. Nayega ngweji ejeji kiajire kufominga by the process of volcanicity. Nayega ngu ahesumere rukoraki izina bobani sumere jongo netegana sa female uterus nayega ngu umuntu aba mining amusorti yemye
nayega umuntu waji forming wabanze kugereba bamwita murogo nayega na first European wabanze kugereba sa Henry Mata HM Stanley ijejire kineti ya nayega uneti amba munongi taba nayeganda funemi emyonya yente abante bakutechesa.
Okay, Jamaica Carlson. I have learned that in this salt what Lake Katwe, they have 3 methods which they use to mine that salt. Open cast mining.
Nayega ngotejire obulingo bwa 2.5 square kilometers. Ekindi nareba kuba bakwiya y'omonyo.
Ninye aine mitshashireya. Nayega ngu Lake Victoria was formed, Lake Katwe was formed by volcanicity and it is dormant.
Newton Patience, primary 7A, Ganda Matters Primary School. I am a girl aged 11 years.
What have you learned from this history?
I have learned about salt mining and what the Katwe is famous for.
Amazina ganje Ashaba Moira. Nayega okuba kwihamu omonyo omumizi kandi ekinde kinayega nayega fish ezintakarebaga ekindi nayega okuba kukora amajani nanokuba kuga harvesting. That's what I've learned.
Use the same route that we used to come here.
Abanza wese stima yinka Mze mungambira mwifata tumara hepura Lake George is this side. That is Lake George. Then Lake Edward is this side. But it passes here through Democratic Republic of Congo, then to Lake George, then Lake Victoria.